Picture the Stone Age, an era when the world was gripped by the chill of the last ice age. Vast ice sheets stretched across continents, blanketing the land in snow and cold, while ancient forests teemed with life. It was a time of dramatic landscapes and harsh survival, where only the most adaptable could thrive. In this frozen world, two kinds of humans walked the earth, Neanderthals and Homo sapiens. They were distant cousins, yet strikingly different in appearance and abilities. Neanderthals, strong and skilled, ruled Europe and Asia for thousands of years. Their bodies were built for the cold, with powerful muscles and broad frames, perfectly adapted to survive the unforgiving climate. Then, our ancestors, Homo sapiens, arrived from Africa. These newcomers brought fresh ideas, new tools, and a different way of life, soon sharing the land with their Neanderthal relatives. But as time passed, the Neanderthals began to disappear. Their once thriving camps fell silent, leaving behind only mysterious traces, caves with ancient handprints and tools buried in the earth. Why did they vanish while we survived and flourished? For decades, scientists have searched for answers, studying ancient bones, stone tools, and even the DNA hidden within our cells. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding this prehistoric puzzle. The answer may lie in a single, remarkable gene, one that gave our species the unique ability to communicate with complex language, setting us apart and shaping the destiny of humankind. The FOXP2 gene, sometimes called the language gene, is crucial for speech. Humans have a unique version, allowing us to make thousands of sounds and words. Neanderthals had the same basic FOXP2 gene, but recent research shows their brains may have used it differently. The genes regulating FOXP2 differ between us and Neanderthals. So while they had the instrument, they may not have played it as skillfully. Their language was likely simpler, less flexible. This subtle genetic difference may have shaped our destiny. Picture two ancient hunting groups, one made up of Neanderthals, relying on simple hand gestures and basic body language to communicate their intentions. Their world was shaped by what they could show, not what they could say. Every hunt, every warning, every lesson depended on what could be acted out in silence, limiting how much they could share and plan together. Now, imagine early humans, our ancestors, gathering to plan a hunt, not just with gestures but with words. They could describe distant places, warn of unseen dangers, and coordinate complex strategies before even setting out. With complex language, our ancestors could strategize in ways never seen before. They could debate, persuade, and inspire each other, turning simple plans into sophisticated group efforts. Language allowed them to teach skills and wisdom, passing down knowledge from elders to the young. Stories, warnings, and lessons could be shared across generations, building a foundation for learning that grew stronger with each retelling. This ability to communicate created culture itself. Stories told by firelight, art painted on cave walls, and new tools invented and improved upon. Over time, these shared ideas became the roots of technology and tradition. Language also made it possible for humans to form larger, more connected social groups. They could build alliances, trade resources, and cooperate with distant bands, weaving together the first networks of human society. In contrast, Neanderthals remained in smaller, more isolated groups, limited by the boundaries of their communication. Meanwhile, humans began to migrate, connect, and share ideas across vast landscapes, creating the first global communities. Our ancestors could imagine new possibilities, innovate tools, and adapt to changing environments in ways Neanderthals simply could not. Language unlocked creativity and problem-solving, fueling progress. All of this was sparked by a small genetic change, a subtle tweak in our DNA that led to a world of difference, setting us on a new evolutionary path. In the end, language became our greatest tool, our secret weapon, shaping the destiny of our species and building the future we live in today. The story of the FOXP2 gene is a powerful reminder of how even the smallest changes in our DNA can have a profound impact on the course of human history. This single gene, with just a few tiny mutations, helped shape our ability to communicate, to share ideas, and to build the complex societies we know today. Our survival as a species wasn't just about physical strength or endurance, it was about our capacity for connection, for empathy, and for creating culture. Around ancient fires, our ancestors told stories, taught each other, and formed bonds that would help them thrive in a challenging world. Today, scientists are able to study our entire genome, using advanced technology to uncover the genetic secrets that make us uniquely human. By decoding our DNA, researchers are piecing together the puzzle of our origins, our abilities, and even our vulnerabilities. Our DNA acts as a living record, carrying the echoes of our ancient ancestors and preserving their stories within us. Each genetic marker is a clue, connecting us to people who lived thousands of years ago and revealing how their lives shaped our own. By comparing our genes with those of Neanderthals and other ancient relatives, we continue to discover what truly set us apart. Traits like language, creativity, and adaptability that allowed us to flourish while others faded away. The next great discovery about what it means to be human may still be hidden within our own DNA, waiting for curious minds to reveal new secrets about our past, our present, and our future as a species. In the end, our shared DNA is the thread that ties all humans together, connecting us across continents and generations, and reminding us that we are all part of one remarkable story, past, present, and future.